88 monthly chart, just I want to give a quick update. And based on monthly chart, if we refer to our analysis, since the price was within this correction, we have been looking for 1.35, the price tag. Then now with the breakout of 1.35, we're looking for 163, following by 2, then all-time high. Okay, with the breakout of the all-time high, we have been looking for 5.1. The targets I'm looking for is 5.1. The 4 is not the target, it's a short-term target after the breakout of the all-time high. But with the breakout of the all-time high, at least we can look for 1.5.1. Since the overall market is moving, and as we can see, the Bitcoin tag all-time high. We have to be right now. We're looking at the market, and we will see the others and like ADA, the Dutch coin, and everything. They will start to move. That's why we're trying to look for buy. And for the ADA with the breakout of the all-time high, I'm looking for at least for 5.1 at least. All right. But if we move to lower time frame, this is the way it's moving is a corrective. That means if we see the continuation, mostly we will see the breakout of the stop, following by the correction before we see the next move. All right. And even if we see the continuation, mostly we face the divergence. Okay. That's why at this point, if there is a continuation, we look at the previous stop. All right. That means we will not come up with the uh, targets as long as the price is below 1.35. That's why if the price could break this top, then I'm looking for almost 1. Then from there, I'm looking at this top, which is 1.18. Then I'm looking for 1.35. Unless we see the breakout of this one as a sharp move. When I say sharp move, similar to what we have here. Okay. That's why for me, I'm not really interested to look for buy at this point. Okay. Because if the continuation as a corrective, we can expect the price drop somewhere around 60 cent. Then if anyone wants to look for buy, they can look for flag, but even based on forward chart, I don't see any. I'm not really interested. And if we move to 1 hour chart, we can look at this one. The only option is to put the entry above the top. We see then we have to uh, see a wait and the price sharply tag break and the over entry. Okay. But for me at this point, still I'm not really interested to look for buy. That's mean I prefer to wait and I want to see how the overall market behave. But with the breakout of 1.35, we can look for 1.63 following by 2 before the price tag all time high. That's mean the breakout of this zone, which is between 1.63 following by 2 is the main the zone I'm looking for before the price break all time high. Anyway, we follow the chart. If we see any opportunity for buy, can give us a better confirmation, better trade setup, then I will give update. Thanks.